Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be sharing my nail care routine with you guys. So the first thing I usually do when I'm prepping my nails for a design is to file them. I like to use a crystal file because it's gentler on your nails and crystal files last way longer than emery boards. Filing for everyone is going to be a little different depending on what shape you want your nails to be, but for me, I start near the side of the nail and drag the file upwards toward the center. Try to only put pressure on the file in one direction. Don't saw back and forth. Because I keep my nails a bit pointed, I'm going to do the same thing again on the other side, again putting pressure on the file when I move towards the tip. I'll also put the file perpendicular to the nail and gently file up and down to smooth out the edge and remove any bits that are still clinging to the nail. After I'm finished filing, I apply a cuticle remover and use a cuticle pusher to gently push my cuticles back without going under the nail bed. Then I again very gently move the debris forward and wipe it off with a paper towel. Since cuticle remover can dry out your skin, when I'm finished, I apply some cuticle oil around the nail and rub it in. When the cuticle oil is soaked in, I'll usually apply hand cream to my whole hands, but here I'm just applying it around the cuticles for some extra moisture. Finally, if I'm going to be painting my nails right away, I'll apply a base coat to protect my nails from staining. And that's it. I hope you like this little look at my nail care routine, and I wish you good luck in caring for your own nails at home. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.